I am coming at you from this dark, now kind of bright corner of my room because it is nighttime and I just finished editing my Italki teacher intro video. Subtitles take way too long. But in this video, I will take you through the full process from planning to filming to editing. So hopefully this can give you some ideas or some inspiration or just help you feel less alone, because honestly, filming an intro video for a platform like Italki can be awkward. But enough talking, let's get into it. So right now I'm going to plan out all of the bullet points of what I'm going to say in my Italki teacher intro. I'm not going to film the teacher intro today just because there's not enough sunlight because a hurricane or tropical storm or something is coming through. I haven't really kept up with it, but I am going to sit down and plan it out. So I'm currently on the Italki website right now under the introduction, video guidelines and requirements section. I'll link it in the description. I already know most of this, but I am just going off of this a bit so that I can get some ideas. And then I'm also bringing up my teacher profile so that I can take ideas directly from my lesson descriptions. Because in this intro video, I'm actually going to talk about what each of my lessons is versus in my last intro video. I honestly didn't really know what I was going to be doing on the platform, so I kind of faked it, but this time I get to be a lot more specific, which I'm excited about. So, first bullet point, probably the only thing that will be somewhat scripted in the video is going to be the first line. I really liked what I did with my original intro video, which was I started it out by saying, "Hi, I'm Melissa, and Hi, I'm Melissa, and I'm here to help you improve your confidence with English here on Italki." So that's gonna be my first line. And then in my video, I do want there to be a nice kind of like intro sequence with different shots of me like teaching and like planning for lessons. So I'm just gonna write down a few ideas for what I could do for that. So I'm gonna plan to talk about each of the different lesson types. And for each lesson type, I'm only gonna write like 2 or 3 bullet points underneath because I do wanna keep this pretty short. My first lesson type is refresher English, which is my conversation practice. So I'm gonna say intermediate to advanced, keep English fresh, conversation, any topic. So for my second lesson type, this is like my highly customized structured lessons. So I create a Google document, personalized to you. And then I think for this one, I'm just gonna list some of the things that we can work on. Because in the lesson description on my profile, I have a list under this specific lesson. Things we can work on: conversation skills, pronunciation, writing, reading, grammar, learning new vocabulary, and tools to memorize, blah, blah, blah. So I think I'm just gonna list off all of those. And then my final lesson type is use slang like an American. So the bullet points I'm gonna write for this one are Google document, endless materials / different materials / endless lists of slang idioms, I think. Okay. And then all of your questions answered. I might change this one. We'll see how that ends up. And then I'll probably talk about, I understand how difficult it is to learn a language. I might insert a clip of me totally failing at French. And then I enjoy discussing, what do I enjoy discussing? Current events, TV, and connecting with people. I might change that. Okay, so I have like a page and a third of bullet points that I will use. And then at the very end, I talk a bit more about who I am personally, what I do, things I enjoy talking about. I think this is it though for the brainstorming and planning process. I don't think it needs to be too complicated. So let's move on to the actual filming process. So today we're filming. Let's get into this. I don't know, it's weird like filming a video while filming a video, right? One thing that I do need to keep in mind is talking slowly and clearly. Hi, I'm Melissa and I'm here to help you improve your Hi, I'm Melissa. I feel like I'm at a commercial audition. Hi, I'm Melissa, and I'm here to help you improve your That's too fast. Okay. I try to switch up like how I'm sitting a little bit, even though I am just in like a blank space. So I go from like this to maybe this, a little bit more casual. I'm a community tutor and I offer 3 lesson types if you want to keep your English fresh. Yeah, that's fine. Okay. The hardest thing is like enunciating and speaking slowly and clearly and smiling and also showing my personality. And I will see you soon. No, ew. And I'll see you soon. Is that aggressive? I don't know if that's aggressive or not. Book a lesson with me. And I'll see you soon. That's fine. Okay. So now the goal is to get some of those fun little B-roll shots. So I'm gonna get that set up. Me being at the edge of the frame is not cute. Okay. Okay, that's too dark. The struggle. I don't know how to frame this. But I'm going to write down these fake notes really quick. It'll make it look like I'm teaching, you know? Yeah, fantastic. Gotta set everything back up again. Oh no, where did it go? I am a native English speaker, the standard American accent that come out of the US. That's good enough. So I'm gonna say that I'm done for the day because I think that's it. If I forgot anything, it's fine. Hi, so now I'm going to be taking you through the full editing process. I will be using iMovie just because I feel like it's free. You might have it on your phone, you might have it on your computer. I actually both filmed and edited my first Italki teacher intro on my phone, so it's totally doable. The only thing I might switch to is DaVinci Resolve, which is also free, but I might switch to that for adding like subtitles to the bottom. So let's get into it. All right, so we are in iMovie. I went ahead and brought in all of the clips here. I'm going to go ahead and take the main parts of the video and drag them in here. So anything that's me sitting and talking, we'll leave all of this extra stuff for later. Wonderful. So I went through and I took out all the parts where I'm specifically just talking for this video that I'm creating right now. And mostly what's left is just clips for my iTalki video. And the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take out any of these long sections that don't have any speaking. And I don't put it right up to where the audio ends. I give it a little bit of space. And I'm going to tighten up anything that might feel a bit slow. Like for example, if I were to cut it a bit too long like this. I'm a community tutor, not too great, but I can tighten it all up later. So now is the beautiful process of going through and finding my favorite clips of each line that I said. All right, so I have all of my favorite clips chosen. This is basically what the video is going to be. Now I'm just gonna go through, tighten it up, make it feel a bit more flowy and nice. So let's do it. Hi, I'm Melissa. So now I'm going into Canva. This is the one that I made earlier for the video you're currently watching. And I'm just going to make let us put this over top, maybe opacity down, boom. It's so good to see you again. How are you doing? I need to mute this. Hi, it's so good to see you again. How are you doing? More confidence with English here on Italki. The most important thing is to pick a bit of royalty-free music that we can tack onto that beginning. Absolutely not. So I put my project into DaVinci Resolve and I'm now going to add subtitles. So titles, text, let's just throw that on, throw that on top. And then I'm going to drag it all the way across. Oh, there we go. Nice. And then all of them are going to be at the bottom. And now is the fun part. So I'm not going to force you guys to watch all of this, so I'm going to come back in like an hour when it's done. I finished editing. Oh, geez. And just like that, the intro video is done. Actually, it's not just like that. Those subtitles take so long. Please let me know if there's a better way of doing that. But I am glad to have this off of my to-do list. I've been planning on making a new intro video for a hot minute now. And I'm pretty happy with how it turned out. If you want to see what my intro video looks like, I will leave a link to the full video in the description box below. So you can check that out, watch it as many times as you want without having to scan through this video. And as always, if you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. I'd be more than happy to try to answer them for you. And don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the bell and do all of those beautiful things. And I will see you on Tuesday.